What do you do?
What do you do? What do you do?
What are the skill set required to become a Java developer?
How AI is changing the way we code.
And with this AI tools, where is the software development part is going exactly?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be diving into the exciting tech careers in different job roles, starting from software development, UI UX design, data science, project management, and many more. So if you're someone curious who wants to enter to this field, this video has got you covered. So we will be looking into a quick overview of the industry trends, future roles, and the salary expectation that will get you hired. Make sure you stick till the end of this video, and for more video content, hit the notification bell for more such tech insights by Simplilearn.
What do you do?
I'm a full stack developer.
What is the salary expectation one can have when they are trying to get into this role?
In India, you can expect that 6 to 12 LPA as a fresher and 15 to 30 LPA as a expert.
I work as Java developer. For freshers, you can expect like 5 to 10 LPA. For experienced person, you can expect like 15 to 30 LPA.
The CI/CD pipeline, or continuous integration and continuous delivery, is like a dynamic duo for software development. Continuous integration ensures changes play well with existing code, acting as vigilant code inspectors. Continuous delivery takes it further, prepping the code for deployment, making software always ready to go live.
You can start by mastering programming languages like Python, Java, or Ruby to code your backend infrastructure and learn how to integrate different functionalities in your website with JavaScript. Then, dive into the fascinating world of database management like MySQL or MongoDB and server-side frameworks like Django or Node.js.
First, AI is helping with code generation. Tools like GitHub Copilot suggest code snippets while you are typing, and it actually speeds up development and reduces errors. Next, AI is actually amazing for bug detection. It analyzes code and spots bugs before they even run. And lastly, AI automates testing. It can simulate real-world scenarios, run tests faster than manual methods, making sure everything works smoothly.
I think like the future of software development will be a mix of human creativity and AI-powered efficiency. AI will take over all your mundane tasks like generating boilerplate code, bug detection, and even writing unit tests. But here's the thing, AI won't replace developers. It is going to only complement them. Developers will focus more on designing, solving complex problems, and driving the product vision.
Use semantic HTML like nav, header, section. It makes the code readable and improves accessibility. Always check responsiveness. Use Flexbox, grid, and media queries instead of fixed width.